Today's episode is going to be excellent. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing on the You Can series where we teach you tips and skills that you'll probably need to learn at some point in your life. We make it easy and fun, so let's get to it. Today we're going to be learning about eggs, how to hard boil a perfect egg, how to tell if an egg is okay to eat, and then we'll teach you how to make a really easy and simple egg salad at the end. Now the easiest way to tell if an egg is still good or not is to submerge it in water. If it lays on its side, it's still good. As opposed to this one that's standing up on its edge, it's still okay, but it's going to be on its way out soon. And if it's floating at the top, toss it away. So once you put your eggs in your pot, you're going to fill it with cold water to about an inch above the eggs so that it cooks properly. Next, I like to add about a capful of white vinegar. That'll help the membrane come apart from the egg easier. The vinegar also helps if the egg cracks, the whites won't run as much. Once you have your vinegar in and your water up to the level you want, bring the eggs to a boil. Once they're boiling, cover it with a lid and let it sit with the stove off for 10 to 12 minutes. So once your eggs come to a boil, put your lid on, turn off the heat, and let it sit 10 to 12 minutes. While our eggs finish cooking, let's get out the ingredients for the simple egg salad. Now you can use any ratio of those ingredients that you want. I made 3 eggs, so I'm going to go with about 2 slices of onion, 1 stalk of celery, and maybe a half a pickle. Mayo is to taste. And the rest is a snack for me. Now that was perfect timing. My eggs just got done. So I'm going to drain the water. Careful of the steam. Open the lid away from yourself. And don't put your face over the pot. Once you've drained the water, fill it up with cold water. We want to stop the cooking process. Don't want overdone eggs. Now let that sit for a few minutes and you're ready to peel. After 5 or 10 minutes, we were able to drain the water and crack the eggs and peel them. We rinsed them off to make sure there's no shell left. We put them in this bowl. Now some people like bigger chunks of egg in their egg salad. I don't. I like more of a smooth consistency. So my dad taught me this trick a long time ago. Instead of cutting them up, you take a fork and you mash it. That'll give you small little pieces to go on your sandwich. And it's a lot quicker than cutting the eggs too. And as you can see, we have perfectly cooked eggs, no green. The egg whites and the egg yolks are completely set. And we have perfect eggs for egg salad. So we're going to leave it about like that. Two more. And I have my veggies that we cut up earlier to put in. Like that. I like to give it a nice stir to get it all together before we put the mayo in. Just like that. And now for the mayo. Again, completely your preference as to how wet you want your egg salad. I like a lot of mayo in mine. So I'm going to start with about that much. Just get it all incorporated. That's probably going to do it for me. Okay. Now I like to let my egg salad sit in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes because I like mine ice cold. Now it's time to assemble your sandwich. And I like mine on toast. Now 3 eggs will get me a good 2 sandwiches. I like adding a little bit of paprika on the top of mine. And you can add salt, pepper, whatever else you want. And that's my sandwich. And that's all she wrote. I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And come back next week when we have another new video. Until then, I'm out.